Small black whistle, carved from the dark ash trees of Bracknell Forest. The whistle is small and carefully shaped. The wood is smooth to the touch, yet unnaturally cold. It remains uncracked, preserved beyond its years, predating the Second Age, said to call those bound by oath.